station here. We arrived here at the bird hunt this afternoon. It's late, about 6 p.m. So we're going to eat something tonight and then we're going to enjoy the evening. Tomorrow morning 5 a.m. we're going to start.
Heb jij krokodil gezien?
Yes, kijk eens joh.
Welcome to Bushveld Triumphs. We're doing a bird hunt for this weekend. We start off with a nice evening at the Triumphs and we're going to have a nice meal. Can't wait to see tomorrow what's going to happen.
Hello everyone, it's 5 a.m. We're gonna drive to the farms now and we're gonna start the hunt.
We're on our way to the farm. We're gonna shoot for the day.
Hey guys, we are almost at the property. We're gonna look for some guinea fowl and some spurfowl. So we have two pump action shotguns. Oh, it's about 6 a.m. now. We're arriving at the property. So we are gonna get our shotguns ready, get our ammunition ready. We'll be targeting spurfowl, guinea fowl and other species of birds as well.
Ja.
We're in the cotton fields with Peter and Sean. Walking here in the field, so we're gonna see if we can get some guinea fowls. First one in the bag. Early morning, John. First one in the bag. Placed a few shots on a few guinea fowls already. Beauty, first guinea fowl. Fantastic shot. Okay, Peter. Perfect shot. Oh, walk here in the field. Placed a nice shot on a guinea fowl. We need another few birds today. Sean, you loaded?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Saw a few spurfowls just ahead of us, so myself and Sean we're just heading out here, see if we can find the spurfowls. This is also the territory of the guinea fowl. We already bagged 2 guinea fowl today. Very lucky day, very good shots by myself and Sean, but Sean just bagged the spurfowl. Fantastic animal. So, fantastic. Another one in the bag, well done. Guys, good morning so far. We bagged 2 guinea fowls and 1 spurfowl already. So very good morning. agterraai.
Maar daai was groot stap. Check also.
Yeah, fantastic shot, Sean. Well done.
Thank you. Another one in the back. We have pork chop from boerenwors, so we can have a bit of lunch. And
Sean, we're on the hunt here next to a watering hole, so hopefully we're going to shoot something.
yes, hopefully we'll see. We saw a couple of them on that side, but moving towards them, so hopefully we will be lucky enough to get them.
Yeah, there's a watering hole here, so we're going to see if we can find some birds, maybe some ducks, spurfowl or guinea fowl. Fantastic shot! Yeah, well done. Oh.
Thanks man.
Fantastic shot placement. Spurfowl harvested. It's in. Yeah. Well done, fantastic shot placement. Yeah, fantastic, Shawnee. Well done. We shot 2 guinea fowl right now. Just gonna quickly search for them. It was about 50 meters. We're shooting with number 5 grain 20 gauge.
Great stuff.
De groot kap. Hey. Back to another guinea fowl. Hopefully this is the winning trophy. Yes. Just harvested a guinea fowl. Oh, we just placed a shot on SPURFOWL. Myself and Sean here in front of me. Very thick cotton fields here. So we're gonna try to find it here. Another one in the bag. Tag team.
Yeah, teamwork on this one.
Yeah, it's not a big one, but
It took 4 shots, but we got it.
yeah, well done. Ito.
Wat is het? Hallo, ik vat het.
Hey, another one.
Well done, Peter.